Are you more like a snake or a fox? Are you more like a guitar or a drum, rain or snow? A snake or a fox? There are no right or wrong answers to these questions, just the way that you feel. Everyone stand in the middle of the room. If you're more like the thing on your left, walk quickly to your left. If you're more like the thing on your right, walk quickly to your right. Then take a look around the room to see who feels the same as you. You may have a lot more in common with people than you think. Let's do this. Are you more like a trick or a treat? Go! High five someone in your group. Now, back to center. Are you more like a guitar or a drum? Go! Shake hands with someone in your group. Now, back to center. Are you more like a snake or a fox? Go! Wave at someone in your group. Now, back to center. Are you more like a boat or a plane? Go! Bow to someone in your group. Now, back to center. Are you more like rain or snow? Go! Knock elbows with someone in your group. Now, back to center. Are you more like a dog or a puppy? Go! Foot tap someone in your group. Now, back to center. Are you more like a spoon or a fork? Go! Go for a big group hug. Now, back to center. You chose what you chose because it felt right. Were you surprised that some people you don't really know felt the same as you? After the video ends, take some time to talk with your class about what you discovered about others and yourself. Because that's what it's all about when you're blazer fresh. Fresh, 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 fresh. Can I get some sugar?